Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll talk about what you can do if you wasted first 2 years of your college life. I'm making a video on this because it was really requested by a lot of people. So yeah, I know when you're in first year you're like, अरे अभी तो like we are in first year, अभी थोड़ा chill करते हैं, अभी तो थोड़ा party वार्टी करते हैं, है ना? First year goes by, then you're in second year and you start to learn a little bit, but you get a little bit demotivated कि मैंने first year में कुछ नहीं किया, है ना? अब like second year में I'm learning DSA or like some web dev, but I'm not really expert in it, and most people don't apply whatever they are learning, so then they get demotivated that I'm learning from months but I'm still not able to achieve anything. Then comes third year, and then comes this question कि यार now internships are coming, what do we do, है ना? Okay, so if you wasted first 2 years of your college life, first thing is like one thing before we get started is make sure you subscribe to the channel. That is very important, because yeah, if you're providing such good content to you, so please do make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, share this video, share about Code for Cause with all your college friends so that they can also come out of this, feeling that I am from tier 3, I cannot make it. No, you can make it, you will make it. Just follow the guidance playlist of Code for Cause. Okay, so after wasting first 2 years, one thing you have to realize is you cannot change the past. Okay, you cannot get that time back. Time is, if time passes, you cannot get that time back, So focus on what you can do right now to help your future self. Okay, let's talk about that. So third year, let's say your third year is just getting started. So if your third year is just getting started, so it's like odd semester, right? Yeah. So if your third year is getting started around July, August, mine gets started around August, third year has started. This is your fifth semester. Okay. During this time only, internships start opening. Many big companies start hiring for interns next year. So they are hiring like 10 months before. It's not like yaar internship to next year hogi, internship will be next year and we will have a lot of time. No, they are starting hiring 10 months before only, but not all the companies. Startups and the companies like international, like remote, and international remote opportunities in startups and stuff, this can hire throughout the year. Oops. So you don't have to worry about ki yaar I am late. Let's talk about the study plan. Okay, so you're doing currently like you're focusing on your internships, let's say, because if you're in third year, you are focusing on like getting an internship. So let's say roadmap for internships when you have wasted first 2 years of college life. Okay, internships. Okay, first thing is your study plan. Second one is your opportunities, how to get those opportunities. That's pretty much about it. It's a simple sa funda. Study के अंदर start your DSA as soon as possible. If you haven't done DSA because you wasted first 2 years of college life, do DSA and do a bit of development plus open source, because open source is a great way for you to build your brand right now, your personal brand, and get opportunities. In 1 or 2 months, you will not be like the top competitive coder. Maybe in some cases, but this is the safe way that I would recommend, because over here the chances of success are very high and college does not matter. In competitive programming route, chances of success are not as much as compared to open source. Yes, I said it because we are talking about people who have wasted first 2 years of college life. We are not talking about people who are like high ranks on CodeChef, CodeJam, Kickstart and Hashcode, Facebook Hacker Cup. No. We are talking about people who wasted first 2 years of college life. Realistic approach for them would be development plus open source and data success algorithms. Okay, over here just do like problem solving skills. CP not required at all. Okay, opportunities. FANG is not the only thing. Okay, many startups like remote opportunities as well pay you even more then FANG pays you in India. And the work-life balance, the excitement, the opportunities are way better. Because FANG is not everything. Obviously, if you get into FANG, totally depends on company to company, but do check out like remote internships as well. Opportunities mein 6-month internships, you can check out these and network with people. Cool, because you are contributing to open source now, you will get so many opportunities. I've gotten 25 opportunities in last week, and around, I don't know, 50 in my third year has not even ended. I've gotten like numerous opportunities. I don't even know how many I have gotten, approximately 50 or something. Internships and job offers from international companies. So yeah, that's one more thing. If I share about these things, it's not boasting if it's true. Because if you work hard, I have worked very hard, and if I share my success stories with others, it is going to inspire many other tier 3 college students. Okay, so if you also do this, it's called learning in public, learning and sharing in public. Do that, very important for your personal brand. Watch the open source guidance playlist for each of these points in detail, and watch the guidance playlist also for each of these points in detail. There are 2 playlists that I want you to watch if you have wasted your first 2 years of college life. Guidance playlist on Code for Cause, open source guidance playlist on Code for Cause. Okay, everything is given in detail over there. Just there was one more thing I wanted to share with you all, which was how to get like the right motivation, this is something that will not work. Do not look for shortcuts, and be aware of tech gurus and bhaiyas on YouTube. Be aware of it, because they are just focused on like money minded, creating business or like money from tier 3 college students' naive nature. Because tier 3 students are like not aware of all these guidances that I have given on Code for Cause guidance playlist. So many money minded, tech gurus and bhaiyas on YouTube, they are just misguiding a lot of people in the name of internships, open source, money, and not at all giving any action items. It's like, फोड़ना नहीं करना, मेहनत करनी है. In short, if I want to summarize it, तोड़-फोड़ नहीं करनी, मेहनत करनी है. तो तुम्हारा फ्यूचर कैरियर रिस्क पे आ जाएगा if you spend time in these, if you waste time in all these things. So I am just like sharing what worked for me and how you can make it as a tier 3 college student as well. In short, work hard. Cool. Well, thanks a lot for joining, everyone. That was it for today's video. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me on Twitter, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.